And time about don't come with another story for all of you guys. We're going to be discussing Erica, everything you didn't know and everything you want to know. Firstly, the basis. Erica's birth name is Ngozi Erica Ugonma Blessing nlewedim. She says if you call her Blessing, she won't answer you. Lots of laughs. Her date of birth, March 13, 1994. She's 26 years old. Height, she's 5 feet 6.5 inches. Occupation, she's an actress, model, and entrepreneur. Nationality, Nigerian. Ethnicity, Igbo. Religion, Christianity. Eye color, brown. Hair color, black. Marital status, single. Star sign, Pisces. So, firstly, we're going to dive into her biography and her educational life before we dive into her career, which is actually the most interesting part of Erica's life. She was born to her parents, Eric nlewedim Christian and Obi Nwokolo. She hails from Umuahia, Abia State. She's the only child and was raised by just her mother in Lagos. She had her secondary school education at Victory Grammar School in Lagos before transferring to Command Secondary School in Ikeja. After graduating from high school, she enrolled at Covenant University to pursue a degree in business administration. She graduated in 2013 and 6 years later, she flew to UK to study acting for film at the Met Film School in London. She revealed that she has traveled to about 7 European countries: France, Spain, Greece, Italy, Dubai, Germany. She said she traveled for just holidays and sometimes just for visitational purposes. She also lived in London for a period of time when she attended the school for acting. She says Greece is her favorite country from all she has visited because Greece is such a beautiful place. So, diving straight into her career now, she's an actress. She says during her NYSC, she decided to follow her dreams. She was always wanting to work in entertainment industries. She was also into modeling and small roles in her university days. Her major to commercial was 8 years ago. Her major job was 2013-2014, and her first movie role was Secrets and Scandals. In 2019, she takes her acting career to another level when she attended Met Film School, London, UK. She took a professional film-making course. Ever heard of Aya Omen? I'm sure you have. Erica acted as Nifemi in the movie. She has also acted in some top-notch movies, and she says a new movie of her will be coming out soon. She has also been appointed the brand ambassador for Nature's Gentle Touch, a brand that uses natural ingredients to care for skin and hair. She has also worked with popular brands such as Jumia, MyZoto app, and Glow. She also was the brand face of Access Bank, Multina, and Zaron Cosmetics from 2015 to 2017. In 2014, she won the Miss Photogenic Award after participating in the Most Beautiful Girl contest in Nigeria. This helped her gain more popularity. She even featured an advert for Peak Milk. She's also a businesswoman as she has her own hair company and makeup line. Before coming into the Big Brother Naija house, she works at MEI Oil and Gas as a marketing manager. She says when it comes to acting, her dream is to lead an action movie. I have always loved female action stars like Angelina Jolie and Charlize Theron and dreamed of acting like them. I'm currently training myself to be ready whenever that role presents itself, Erica says. She's identified as maybe the most richest Bbnaija Season 5 female housemate. And lastly, what everyone knows, she calls her fans elites. This is everything I'm sure you want to know about Erica Ngozi Ugonma Blessing nlewedim. I'm going to be talking about other housemates, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do. See you when I see ya.